Hi, welcome back to Mr. ECH channel. Today I want to discuss about learning languages, any languages. Okay, I think when you learn a language, first, in my opinion, first thing is you have to love that language. If you don't love it, you will find it difficult to learn or difficult to master it because of you are not interested in it. That's why, so you have to love it, right? Learn and then you will love and then you speak it. So love it. So, how about you? Have you ever asked yourself, uh, do I learn this language for or to get a promotion or to have a better future or what is this or like just for fun because I love this language, so I learn it, or I want to be able to speak this language or to use this language like that. uh like talking about learning languages, if you don't love it, like you learn it as a duty. What is duty mean? You don't love it, you don't want to learn it, but you have to do, you have to study it or learn it. Especially, right, like in our school, so there are 6 subjects, so we have to take, so and then English is one of them. So even we don't like or love, we have to study it, because of if we don't study, what is this? We will fail the exam. That's why we have to study. So maybe you don't like or you don't love it, but you don't have choice. You have to study. That's it. That's why you are not good at that subject or that language. Why? So if if you do something because of there's no willingness or desire, burning desire, you want to know more, you will do more. No, if your teacher teach you like maybe you know 10 words, enough 10 words, just study that one and then read that one, yes, enough for you, because you don't love it. Oh, finish. Even that one, that those 10 words, you don't want to study, but you don't have a choice. If you don't study, you will fail the exam, right? You fail the exam. That's why you have to study it like that. And then, if you love it, mean if you love like so no one asks or tell you to do, you do by yourself because of you want to good at that things, right? Maybe that skill like that. Just imagine, right? So call back like what is this? Our past. Uh, when you were young, so you learn how to ride, ride a bike, and then your mom bought you a new bike, a bicycle, because of you love. You are, we call you are excited. Okay, so your mom asks you, oh, just ride it for 15 minutes a day, 20 minutes a day. No, you want to go for 1 hour or 1 hour, like 2 hours, like that. Because of what? You are excited. You love to learn that language, or sorry, that you love to do that activity, because oh, riding a bike, in your mind riding a bike is what? Exciting. Oh, riding a bike is exciting, right? And then you are excited. That's why. So you learn, even you fall off, you had an accident, you don't care. Keep, riding it again and again until you master it. But now you know how to ride a bike. You don't need to, learn to ride a bike again. This is the way that we learn. Okay? So if you love it, it's easy to master it. So the point I want to give here is, so whatever like that. Any languages you are learning now, so love it. Of course, when you love it, you will find it easy or interesting. Yes. Or you want to do it or learn it like 24/7, right? I say 24 hours or 7 days a week, like that. So you get the point. I hope you get the point. What is this? Love it. Okay? Love it. So bye bye. See you.